Time for our last problem of the day, number 31 on the exam review study guide. In this problem, I'm going to use one of the key terms, function notation, and for this one, it was the f of x. So the problem will be, if f of x equals x squared minus 3 over x plus 5, what is the value of f of negative 3? So with this and the definition, we mentioned that the value of f of x, whatever that number is, so in this case negative 3, you will just plug into the equation as x. And make sure you plug it into all the terms though. Okay, let's start the problem. So, f of x, so you're going to plug in the negative 3 though. So f of negative 3 is going to equal negative 3, plug it in for the x, squared, and don't forget to put parentheses around it, and later after I solve it I will explain why this is important, minus 3 over negative 3 plus 5. So from here you're just solving the problem. So negative 3 squared is positive 9. So 9 minus 3 over negative 3 plus 5, which is positive 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 down there. And then 9 minus 3, 6. And so 6 over 2 is going to equal 3. And that is going to be your answer. So f of negative 3 equals 3. So time to go over the common mistakes. For this one, if you're going to do it in the calculator, this is going to be one of the biggest mistakes. In the calculator, students will just plug in negative 3 squared. But that will not be right, because then that will calculate to being negative 9. And then, as you can see, that would mess up the whole problem. So in the calculator, you want to make sure you put parentheses around negative 3 squared. And then that will give you your 9, which will work. Also, even if you're not doing it on the calculator, you just want to get in the habit of putting those parentheses there to show yourself, to remind yourself later in the problem that if you're taking out x, you're just putting in negative 3. And that is just what you're going to put in. So that is the end of this session. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped you review for your SOL later this year. Good luck!